Thank you, Abdiaziz Hashim, for that report. He's just run down some of the options that the Deputy President has, even as we await what will happen in the Senate today. He's also given you there some of the candidates who are being fronted, for the Deputy President position, just in case he is impeached. And reportedly, there might be a special sitting of Parliament tomorrow, but we'll be getting to inform you more during the day. So President William Ruto has urged local banks to lower, their interest rates and make loans more accessible to micro, small and medium-sized enterprises to stimulate economic growth. President Ruto is concerned that despite the Central Bank of Kenya lowering the benchmark lending rate to 12%, commercial banks are charging as high as 20% interest on loans.
President William Ruto addressed the Micro, Small and Medium-Sized Enterprises exhibition sponsored by the Kenya Bankers Association, where he underscored the need for banks to reduce interest rates on loans. He said reduction of lending rates is essential to foster a more conducive environment for micro, small and medium-sized enterprises.
Some of the people in the Hustler Fund, about 2 million of them, I think next month we will be announcing their graduation now to the MSME sector. And it demonstrates the possibilities that exist. And it also gives you an indication. Hustler Fund is retailing at 8%. Many banks are today at 17, 18, 20, 20-something percent.
He said micro, small and medium-sized enterprises employ between 80 to 90% of Kenyans and contribute to a third of the gross domestic product, hence the need to protect and support the sector.
I commend the banking industry's pledge to double lending to MSMEs by providing 150 billion in new loans annually beginning next year. Accordingly, the government will support this bold and innovative move through policy and institutional banking, including measures to guarantee the prompt payment of all pending bills, which will commence once the ongoing verification process is completed.
President Ruto noted that Kenya imports goods that can be manufactured locally, thus stifling job creation and draining much needed foreign exchange. He therefore wants banks to increase credit extended to the manufacturing sector,
so that we can provide a better working environment, a better investment climate, and an enabling business ecosystem to support our manufacturing, trade, and investment. I want to encourage industry to work with the Ministry of Investment, Trade and Industry so that we can together again fashion a new space for business to thrive.
President Ruto lauded banks for being among the biggest taxpayers after contributing 190 billion shillings to the exchequer in 2023.